In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove guests on Trello. If you've been collaborating on Trello and found yourself needing to tidy up your board by managing who exactly has access, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to easily remove unwanted guests from your Trello board. So let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is head over to the Trello website, navigate to your favorite web browser and type in trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see the main page with all the vibrant Trello features on display, designed to help you capture, organize, and tackle your to-do lists from anywhere. It's a great tool for productivity and teamwork, but right now, our focus remains on managing the guests in your workspace. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the Trello homepage. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login details, your username and password for Trello. If you're already logged in, Trello might redirect you straight to your dashboard, which saves a bit of time. Once you're logged into your Trello account, proceed to your Trello workspace. Your workspace is essentially the hub for all your Trello activity, presenting an overview of your boards and activities. It's the place where you manage everything related to your projects, so finding your way there is key in accessing your boards efficiently. After navigating to your workspace, look for the board from which you'd like to remove guests. This is your My Trello board, a personalized board where you and invited members collaborate. Clicking on this board will open it up, presenting all the lists, cards, and importantly the sharing settings you'll need for this task. With your board open, direct your attention to the Share button. It might be located towards the top of your board, often alongside the board's title. Clicking the Share button grants you access to the sharing settings for your board. This is the section where you can see all the people who have been invited to your board, and it's where you'll manage these guest users. Once you're in the sharing section, click on board members. This option brings up a list of everyone currently added to the board. As you view the list, you'll see who all the guests are, their roles, and from here decide who needs to be removed. To remove a guest, locate them in the list, and there should be an option next to their name to remove them from the board. And there you have it. Removing guests from your Trello board is straightforward once you know where to go. By following these steps, you can keep your boards organized and ensure only the necessary team members have access. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.